step, which is hang components into the frame. It's 3 by 3, so we hang in 3 components into our frame and then we tighten them in a specific order. Pretty easy. We start with our derailleur. So inside of the derailleur we have the B-bolt, which actually tightens the derailleur on the frame, and it will tighten this part, the silver inner part. This is called knurl ring. In the later step, this will define the position of our derailleur and will set up the B-gap in this step. We have a little bushing. This goes into our hangerless interface. Make sure it's clean inside and there's no dirt from the UDH before. And this little neck of the bushing must be on the outside because the knurl ring will grip the frame from the inside, which is quite important. So we hang in our full mount derailleur on the frame and then we tighten the B-bolt till snug, like this, and then 1 full rotation backwards. We do the rotation backwards because we need to move the knurl ring completely free, because otherwise we will set up a B-gap position which is incorrect. So we will do this later on with the wheel and cassette and chain installed. Alright, next part we install is our rear. Nothing special here. We already installed the cassette. Like you installed the cassette exactly how you used to, so nothing special here. Rear wheel goes in, axle goes in, we screw this till snug, tighten it till snug, and then same story for the axle. You can see already, if we tighten this, it's very hard to move it. So 1 full rotation backwards as well, to make it easy that you can still move the derailleur freely. Next step, and last hanging step, take our chain, careful, flat top, especially if you do it with 2 beers. We have our derailleur in our free mode, so we can hang in the chain pretty easy, just hanging from the top, going through the cage, and wrapping around chain ring, and then we have our hanging step complete. Then we start tightening. First thing we do, we tighten the power lock. There's a flat top power lock as well, so be careful. And then we continue with the most important step. We go into the setup mode. It's marked with a red dot and 2 red lines. And we make sure we're in the right gear. So shift up into the setup cock. It's marked on the cassette with a red ring. And we pedal, so we are making sure the chain is engaged in every cock. It's important because now we bring tension to the system. If it would just not be engaged, we have not the right tension for the system. Then we go up to 35 Newton meter on the torque wrench. Step behind our bike. and we start tightening. We hold the cage all the time, so there's tension on the chain. To reach 35 Newton meters. We tighten the axle, like we used to, like whatever is written on the axle. And we engage the cage into ride mode.
You're done.
And I'm done. That's all. You can win a World Cup now, or go for a normal ride, or ride your bike to the pub, whatever you feel fancy.